Kapag i-kiss mo yan, magiging prinsipe.
Yeah.
Let's proceed. Steam walk. Kaya pala steam walk. You know why?
So what?
Kasi po, ang init. This is where the frog lives.
Galing. Ang galing lang siya.
So, dito po nakatira yung palaka, yung ikikiss mo, tapos magiging prinsipe. Nasaan na ba yon?
Andito yung prinsipe mo.
Oh my God! Yung mga single dyan. What kind of plant is that?
Biglang ano yan magbababa.
Oh. Sorry. Oh. Dragonflies and selfish. Oh, selfish. See. May post ng maliit. So, this is what you can see here. So, wetland po.
Super lang.
May umutot. Nag-uni may langot, no ba yan? Yung umutot, nag-sounds, tiningnan pa ako. Baka yung ano lang.
Plastic kasi ano yung tinatama.